How many of you want to see what I got for Christmas? All right, you guys, so this is a brand new video for me, and I typically have not done this in the past, but I thought it would be fun to share with you what I got for Christmas. Now, if you haven't seen the junk box video, definitely check that out. I will have that linked at the end of this video, and it's linked down in the description box. The junk box is, of course, a classic. It's an absolute favorite, but I thought it would be interesting to kind of share with you some of the items that I also received from my parents and also from my sister. Otis just came through here, so you may sneak and see him around back and forth. I first and foremost, let me just say I've never done this before. My mom and dad are extremely generous, and they're also in a position where they can do that, and I'm extremely fortunate, and I realize that. So this video is not to brag or anything like that. I do have people that will ask, you know, what'd you get for Christmas? Show us your haul. And so that's what this is about. There's kind of one thing that I don't have on me right now that is something I did share in the junk box video, so definitely check that out. And we're just gonna jump right into it because it's another box, but it's only because I carried everything in the box with me from Myrtle Beach. So first and foremost, my mom and dad got me this fantastic sweater. Love this blue cable net, this kind of light blue. It's gonna go really good with my eyes. And definitely looking forward to wearing that. We've had some crazy warm weather, and then now all of a sudden it's like back to being like 30 degrees. So yay, yay for that. So my mom also got me this, and or mom and dad. I always say mom, but I always mean mom and dad. So if I don't give dad credit, then definitely know that it's also dad. It's funny though, my mom does a lot of the shopping, and there are totally some dad gifts in here. So there's some gifts that he will pick out for us as well. But this was a joint gift. So this is a ring box. You can see the slits in here. This will hold 100 rings. Now, do I have 100 rings? Probably close. And, you know, some of the rings are, of course, gold and silver. Some of them are plastic. Some of them are stainless steel. Some of them came from Temu. Some of them came from jewelry stores. So it's definitely a mix of stuff. Now, I'm not going to show you this, but in addition to the gifts that we get, mom and dad always give us money, and that's what that is. I also got, I don't know if it's in here or not. I think it is though. So this is a dad gift, this next one. Dad thought that my sister and I would like this. And so he got us this great kind of a tapas set. It's got some olives, or it's got some tapas, or some tapenade. It's got some olives, it's got some cookies, and some, like a little cutting board. There is some like little bread pieces back here, some olive oil, so super fun. Definitely can use that. Definitely will use that for entertaining and such. Let's see, that's gonna fall over, so I'm gonna make sure it just falls. This was something that my sister got me, and super happy with this. My sister is going through a lot right now, and so I was very happy to even get something for sure. She definitely did not have to do that for me. But it's this great spurtle set. If you're not familiar with spurtles, they're kind of like a wooden spoon spatula hybrid. And you can see that there's a couple different styles here. There's some different sizes, which are great. And then there's even a pair of tongs here. So that I'm very excited about. And apparently she ordered one set and it didn't come in time. So she sillily went out and got this set, and then she tells me that she's going to ship the other set to me. I told her she definitely did not have to do that, but knowing my sister, she will. Let's see, this is empty, because that's what the Spurtle was in. Mom always gets us a gift card of some kind, and this is a Michael's gift card, which it looks like two, but it's just the one. And so got a Michael's gift card for $100, and that is definitely going to go to good use. This is the box for the item that I was wearing the other day. I took it off last night before I went to bed, but it's this beautiful, beautiful bracelet, and that was the box that it came in. So definitely check out that video. I'm kind of wearing it on my arm, and you'll kind of see it towards the end of the video there. This, I put this somewhere. I will come back to that one. We'll come back to that one. This is very cool. This is an egg poacher set. Somebody calling me, hold on. So this egg poacher set is a great pan, and the pan itself has 5, I think, kind of little cups inside of it for poaching eggs. So super happy about that, because I actually do really like poached eggs. Sometimes eggs give me problems, but this one seems to be okay. I got this great cookbook. If you don't know this guy, definitely check him out. His name is Matthew Bounds, and I think it's the Barefoot Neighbor is the name of his Instagram channel, and also his TikTok channel, which is where I found him. He's also on YouTube, but he's got a cookbook called Keep It Simple, y'all, and there is a literal collection of recipes in here that are just very simple, easy to do. There's a lot of great like crock pot recipes. There's some stews, there's some tacos, there's kind of a little bit of everything, and it's got beautiful colors in there, and then the recipes. I personally love a cookbook that's also got lots of pretty colors, so that was very cool to get that. And again, Matthew has a lot of really great recipes, so check it out. It's called Keep It Simple, y'all. And I did get a watch. I actually got 2 watches, and where's the other? I'll find it in a minute. I got an old school, whoa. I got an old school Casio watch, an old school like digital Casio watch that I just wanted because I just think it's fun, and it's something that's, you know, kind of nostalgic, and that vintage it's definitely kind of coming back in style right now. So it's a good size watch, and very excited about that one. And I need to set the time on it and go through the directions and read it, because it is definitely not set correctly right now. I also got this set of bakeware, and it is all silicone. I'm gonna open up this and show you. They're still wrapped in the plastic, so I'm not going to show them all to you, but it's just blue, so that's cool. But it's like a cookie sheet, and you can see it's silicone here, and then there's a muffin tin, like for mini muffins, and then there's measuring cups in here, there's pie pans in here, there's a bread loaf pan, and then there's like a casserole dish. So that'll be great, especially with that cookbook that I was showing you. So that's fun. I travel a fairly decent amount, and I wanted this Airfly Pro. So mom got me that, mom and dad got me this, and basically it's kind of a extension of kind of, you know, the TVs on the back of the flights, that you plug this in and then it sends Bluetooth to your headphones versus having to plug your headphones into the audio adapter. And you can also use this in your car apparently too, if you don't have like an Apple CarPlay or something in your car. So that's kind of cool. This is the box that the bracelet came in. That one, so you'll have to again look at that other video for that because I don't have it here in front of me. If you guys have heard of the Monopoly game, this is the Atlanta version of it, so it's Atlantaopoly. And I know Mom got this on Amazon, and I will try and link some of this stuff below. But they have this for a couple different cities, and what's kind of cool is that like it's got Centennial Olympic Park, it's got Zoo Atlanta, it's got Buckhead, it's got, so it's got Contingency, I don't know what that is. But it's got a lot of different very cool kind of iconic things to Atlanta. And then on the back, there's a full kind of picture of the game board itself. And I don't know, I just thought that was really fun. And that would be fun to pull it out like on game night or something like that. This next thing is something I love. And it's some flannel sheets for my bed, which again, I mean, I love it cold. So we know I love it cold. So those flannel sheets are going to be perfect. This, Dr. Teal's set, this is the Soothe and Sleep Lavender. And then there's a relaxing eucalyptus one. And this stuff, I love it. My legs really hurt me. I have restless leg syndrome, and at the end of the night, my legs are twitching and exhausted. And if I wash with that, in addition to taking my medication, of course, then I find that it's much, much easier to survive the evening. Mom got me a pair of Steve Madden shoes. These were a pair that I liked specifically. And so she got me those. I wear size 12 and thought that they were great. They're very comfortable. I did wear them already once and they're super, super comfortable. And then the last thing, I'm gonna have to get up and find, oh, there's the watch, way on the other side of the table. Let me grab that real quick and I'll be right back. I got two watches and this is the second watch. This is the box that the watch came in, but I have been wearing that. So I got this Casio and then I got this gorgeous watch. It is Meager is the name of it, and it's just beautiful. It's been on my Amazon wish list for a while, and I love the coloring of it, love the style of it. It kind of looks like a very expensive watch that I can't afford. And just to give you some size comparison of kind of the classic, style versus this newer one, definitely something that I'm very excited about. And then the last gift was a dad gift, if you will. And, Mom and Dad are still married, happily married. They've been together forever. But again, Dad likes to give his gifts, and I gotta be very careful with this. But he gave one to me and one to my sister, and it is this knife. And it is a kind of like a chef's knife, and it is extremely, extremely sharp. The pattern on it is really gorgeous. It is a something mat sota knife, and oddly enough, I told you my sister got one of these as well because he got us the same knife, but the guy that I've been dating has the same exact knife, which I thought was kind of funny. So that was kind of a funny experience because I went to his house because he likes to cook, and I showed him, and he was like, huh, I have that knife too. So that is the Christmas haul. Again, this was not meant to brag. This is something that I wanted to do because I do get questions. People ask me, what I got for Christmas. So that is what Mom and Dad got me for Christmas. They have a Christmas club that they put money into, each month. And my mom does a great job of shopping throughout the year. My dad will also kind of do things throughout the year as well. And then we're definitely blessed. So thank you guys for watching, and we got more content coming soon. All right, guys. Bye.